If you want to know how to create a poll on X, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step so you can post a poll, add your answer choices, set a duration, and publish it in just a few minutes. Polls are a great way to get quick feedback, boost engagement, and start conversations with the audience. So if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign into your X account and get ready to create a new post. On the home screen, look for the Post button and click it. This opens the Post Composer, which is where you'll type your question. Think of this as the main prompt for your poll. You want it to be short, clear, and easy for people to understand right away. Ask something that encourages a quick response, because polls work best when the options are simple and the question is easy to answer. Once your question is typed in, look just below the Post Composer for the poll icon. Click that icon, and X will instantly add the poll feature to your post. You should see two answer fields appear first. These are the default choices that everyone can vote on. Now it's time to enter your poll options. Type your first answer option in the first field, and then type your second answer option in the second field. If you want more than two choices, X gives you the option to expand the poll. Just click the Add Choice button to include additional answers. You can add up to 4 choices total, which gives your audience a few more ways to respond, without making the poll too complicated. When you're choosing your options, try to keep them balanced and clear so people can vote quickly, without overthinking. Next, you'll want to set how long the poll stays open. Click the poll duration settings, and you'll see options for days, hours, and minutes. This is where you decide how long users have to vote before the poll closes. If you want fast engagement, you might choose a shorter time frame. If you want to give your audience more time, you can leave it open longer. Pick the duration that makes the most sense for your post and your goal. Before you publish, take a moment to review everything carefully. Double-check your question, make sure your answer choices are spelled correctly, and confirm the poll duration is set the way you want it. This final review matters because once the poll is posted, it goes live immediately. If everything looks good, click Post to publish it. And that's it. Your poll is now live on X. People can start voting right away, and you can watch the responses come in as your audience interacts with your post. Polls are one of the easiest ways to get engagement and learn what your followers think, so they're definitely worth using regularly. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.